Displays. We have been getting a lot of phone calls and emails asking about the differences between our LED 5mm Twinkle strobe and now our new slow fading mini brights, and we wanted to shoot a video to show you the differences. So this is our Twinkle Light, and every fifth bulb in this light strand flashes on and off, so it's very subtle and it's perfect to layer onto existing greenery. If you have existing static lights on your greenery, this gives the perfect touch. It's also great for trees, and it just gives a little hint of a sparkle, so it adds that little glimmer to your light display. This is our strobe light string, and every light on this light string flashes on and off, and it almost looks like tiny cameras flashing. This light is really your showstopper light. We sold out of this light 2 years in a row. We are introducing this new for this year in orange and purple, in addition to our warm white, pure white, multicolor red, blue, and green. And it really is kind of that eye-catching light to add to your light display. This is our new slow fade light string, and every bulb on this light string subtly pulses on and off, so it gives a very unique, sophisticated animation, and it's perfect for entryways, lobbies, restaurants, and it also looks really sophisticated and great outdoors on foliage or outside trees, and it adds just a very beautiful touch to your light display. So those are the differences between our LED 5mm Twinkle strobe and our new slow fading mini brights. If you have any questions, you can give us a call or go to our website at creativedisplays.com.